G'day scrappers, welcome to day 6 of this scrap marathon, and today, well, I'm just going to go standard old school PCs. I won't call them vintage because they're probably not quite vintage. They do have a floppy, but they also have a CD-ROM, so yeah, definitely old school though. I like this board here along the side. Really big one, that one. It looks like we've got a ceramic CPU of some sort. So, oh, what a day so far. It's just been unbelievable. Wow, that's certainly one really nice board. Looks like a network, obviously, of some kind. I'll probably have to look it up, but geez, a nice ceramic IC here. That'll be a top one. Good fingers. That's nice. And this one here looks like your main audio video kind of card, something. It doesn't really, well, it's actually an Etherlink, so also internet kind of. It's all whatever it is. I've had people come and go all day today. Couple of people was bringing me circuit boards, so that went good. Had one guy come for more of those monitors, so that went okay as well. And then I've been really busy as far as preparing for my board buyer to come and pick up tomorrow. So that'll be tomorrow's video. Me taking boards to my buyer, well, them picking most of it up, and I've got my van all ready to go with hard drives and my plastic to go there too. So this one's a nice quick one. I'll do a couple of these old school PCs, I think. And yeah, it's been really hot today, so it's just cooled down a little bit. The sun's sort of kind of gone away a little bit, and you can at least breathe out here right now. It was really, you know, it wasn't super hot, 32 degrees Celsius, but, you know, we're kind of used to like 18-degree days lately. It hasn't been really warm yet. So all of a sudden to get a bit of heat up just kind of knocks you around a little bit. It's just hard to sort of like handle standing outside and working. And I've been doing a lot today, so yeah. A little bit hard, but you know, managed to get through, and you know, I had so many boards to get ready for tomorrow's pickup, and then because I had a couple of board sellers come, I had a lot more to deal with. So yeah, it was just. And then emails and phone calls for people that want those monitors that I've been selling, and other people booking in to sell me boards. I've got another 2 people coming tomorrow. Like I said in yesterday's videos, just everyone wants everything done all at once, and it's, you know, typical of this time of year. So. We just got to do it. So here we go. We've got a couple of RAM sticks, and these RAM sticks I'll keep for guy that sells stuff on eBay, and he can sell all kinds of RAM because they're easily identified, and you know, he makes half the profit. So kind of like spread the love. It saves me time, and yeah, just gives him more stuff to sell. So I'll get the board out of here a little bit later. And that's pretty much it on this one. We'll just have a look at the CPU. So far so good. The cards are really good. I'll get this out the way. Well, here we go. Looks like it should be a ceramic, yeah, but usually I'm wrong. If it's a fibre, hopefully it's at least a black fibre. Yay! How's that? A black fibre. So this is when it comes to fibre, you got green, brown, and black. As far as gold recovery or real value, this is what you want. The black fibres. Just don't get enough of them. Wish I got a lot more of these, but start slowly building up a collection of them. So happy with that. And there's our motherboard, and this motherboard will go off to the motherboard's going tomorrow. Just got to take out the battery, and yeah. So that was a quick scrap. A nice motherboard. They do get good gold recovery out of these kind of motherboards, the slightly older ones. A couple of BGAs, flat packs all around. So they do get good value. This card here, I'll probably just keep aside because they're so clean and in good condition. Sometimes these cards can really surprise me. Not sure about this one, but I'll just keep them for my buyer or my seller, and the RAM I'll keep for him. And yeah, I just stuffed these into a box for now and let him check them out. All right, let's do another one. Okay, so this one is a Paragon, kind of like a generic, but once again, it's got a floppy and an old school CD drive. So it might be interesting. As everyone knows, I like my beige PCs, so anything beige, I love scrapping them. Even if they are a little bit difficult sometimes to scrap. We'll work it out. This turns out it's quite simple. One of those. All right. Okay. Well, this one looks good too. I think it's a better CPU. Does have some old school RAM. 3 more old school cards. Let me just get down here a bit. So with these new GoPros, they've got a new setting that's called tripod setting, and apparently the main reason for this tripod setting is that apparently the camera runs cooler, and traditionally with GoPros, they don't like it when it gets too hot and the camera heats up, and then they just turn off and you just get a message saying camera too hot, see ya. And and that's just because it's sitting on a tripod. You're not moving around, so there's no airflow going. So yeah, there's a setting that apparently it helps cool down the camera, so I'll keep it cool. This is actually oh yeah, that's a similar card to the other small one, Ethernet link. It's almost identical. Yeah, just probably a little fancier chip here, higher performance chip, but very much identical. Even both got the same missing IC there, and yeah, that's interesting. And this one looks like the video audio, and so yep, that might be one that my seller wants. And this one's yeah, quite an interesting one too. So all these ones, because they're old school, yeah, it's not a matter of just scrapping them out or sending them as scrap. I'd rather hold on to them, let him have a look at them, even if it's a few months until he comes. He was actually here today selling me motherboards and stuff, and he took a little bit of RAM. Got a bit distracted there. I got a thought, what the heck? It's probably a bit too hot for me to be drinking Wild Turkey and Coke. And I'm using my trusty little coaster from Everyday Solars in the UK, another scrapper. You got to check her out. She made me this coaster with all screws, nuts and bolts and stuff from eWaste, and even got the copper wire and spelt out eWaste bin 100,000. That was for my 100,000 subs. So it's still here, Everyday Solars, and it's being put to use. Yeah, so but I probably will just take it in and just keep it as one of my gift mementos, rather than leaving it outside. Yeah, that goes that. So I'm just having a chill afternoon, a well-deserved one. I've gone like crazy today, and in this extreme heat, I can't just keep working. I've got to, like, 20 minutes on, go inside, cool down, and come back out, another 20 minutes, keep going like that. If I didn't have my board buyers coming tomorrow, I probably would have, most of the day I would have just relaxed. So let me get rid of this. I'll probably get the CD drive out later and get the board out, maybe the floppy, but that's almost scrapped. And here's what we want. Yeah, I put 8 ice blocks in this, and they're already melted, and I'm only a quarter of the way through the glass. Yeah, it's hot. I mean, it's not that hot, believe me. By January, February, it'll be 40 degrees and we'll have 43-degree days. Well, apparently we're in El Nino, or one of the El thingos, and apparently we're going to have a really cool summer, like a lot cooler than normal. So we're not going to have many scorching days. So that's kind of a relief. Here we go. Some old school RAM again for my cellar, and awesome. So if you're watching, keep an eye on what I'm collecting for you. Oh, we got another black fiber. Oh, 2 in a row. That's unusual. Don't see that very often. Just coincidental. But there we go. Intel Celeron, black fiber. As far as fiber is concerned, this is the one we want. It's really good gold recovery. Obviously, we've got the gold pins here that we can remove. And under this black shiny part here, it's all gold bonding wires and a little chip in there. A really good gold recovery as far as fiber PCs, fiber CPUs anyway. So fantastic. 2 of them. Got a little heatsink, a little motor, extruded aluminium. Extruded aluminium is very surprising at the moment. Here it's about $2.10. I'll have to do a price check in the next week or so. And here's our little motherboard. And yeah, obviously I don't really touch anything on these motherboards, even though these older school motherboards with these sockets are a good gold recovery for the big refiners. Sometimes I do pinch this little IC chip on the side just to add to my ICs. It doesn't really reduce much value there, but yeah, there you go. Well, that was it. Another little drinkies, and I've only had one and a quarter glass of wild turkey, and I'm already tipsy. So I suppose that's the whole idea. All right, just had to get my camera sort of straightened up. So yeah, I've got still got a few big ones, a couple more I put back into the garage until tomorrow, because I've got another guy coming tomorrow. He's going to take a few, hopefully, and then I've got probably 3 offers to take whatever's left anyway, and I'll just do them really cheap because I've actually made more money than I expected from them, and quite amazing, to tell you the truth. But yeah, some barrels with plastic, they're already loaded in my van, so I'm starting to, let me just move across here, starting to make a bit of room in this section here. I really need to do that. Continue processing. Tomorrow's video will be the eWaste pickup video, but I'll probably do this big long thing over the other side of those monitors. Do another one of them, good copper, and it's just a big heavy thing I want to get scrapped before the end of the year, and then start processing all the servers and switches and more PCs there. And then moving over to the garage, it's a little bit compact at the moment because I've put a few things in there, but all this stuff out here, that's all going to be hopefully done by tomorrow evening. And yeah, we're going to really get there, guys. So well, hope that was a bit of fun. That was day 6 of this marathon. It's just going to continue on whether you like it or not. So keep scrapping, have fun, and I'll catch you tomorrow.